Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Sony Xperia 10 Mark IV to an Android device. First of all, access Play Store on both of them, click on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. Then install this free app from this developer, and when it's ready, tap on Open. Now you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow on both smartphones. When you're ready, choose receive on an Android and then send on Sony. Now you need to tap on all of those type of dots and just send next selected. This way you can choose all of your files and then send them. It will take a long time though, so I will go with only one photo. Choose send and tap on got it. Now click on no thanks and close this window on your Android, and as you can see from here, we have two connection ways. We can scan this QR code using this scanning icon on an Android, selecting while using the app or only this time and pointing our camera at the code, but we can always input this key as well over here and tap on receive button. Now after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!